Okay, we're going to show everybody your new trick. Ready? Come on. No, you got to get your hands out of your face. Do it. Yes, Dad. Mama tries to move your lips, and you talk. Isn't that right? Ready? You're such a talker. Ready? Do it. You are a funny child. Ready? Do it again. Ready? You are a funny little guy. Okay, just for old time's sake. Ready? Yes, that's me. For old time's sake. Ready? Go. Okay. Say. Yeah, hi. Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Give him a laugh. Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish? Are those baby thighs? Are you ticklish? Okay, tell him bye-bye. 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 That doesn't work, does it?